Hey and welcome to Alt1. This is an update video about my free signal group for Forex that you also can join completely free. Link below the video. Also, if you want to copy what I'm doing, use the broker you see up there now. It's the best broker for Forex. Okay, so let's get to it. So here you can see this is my free signal group. You can see here is the latest information I put. And let's go to the trades. So we have been trading now for 7 days and we have made $183 profit. So let's take a little look on what's going on now. Currently, you can see, move this a little down. Currently you can see we are running $52 in minus. That's completely normal when you are hedging. But of course, we are running $130 in plus if you take from what we have spent and what we have earned. So, but by the way, $183 profit. So it works like this. You can see we have put up buy and sell trades with limit buy and limit sell and things like that. And you can see we have a buy trade here and buy trade there open. So we have 2 buy trade and 1 sell trade open. So right away when we come up to around area around here, we will close both buy positions. That's basically how we do, and that's how we make money. That we always close the worst one and we make money on the best one. So that's how we always print money doing this way we are doing. So if you want to copy exactly what I'm doing, like I said, make sure you follow me. And also when I put out normal videos, like you can see I do once in a while. Let me show that also. Let me go back. Like you see there up there, I put up sometimes some videos in this free group. Make sure you like these videos and look it, because that helps me tremendously when you do so. So with that, have an amazing day.